ठीक है. Hi friends, we are live today. We are going to cook a fusion dish which is a leftover French fries or chips, poha. So we'll start. We'll add some oil, little oil, and then we are going to put some onions. With onions, we'll add some peas. It's very yummy and you can use all your leftover French fries or chips and make them into a great dish. Next, we are going to add some oregano. And then we'll add some French fries. I've chopped the French fries and it looks like this. After a minute or two, we can add salt and black pepper according to your taste. We let it cook for 1 minute. Finally, we'll add some red chili flakes. Generally, you have all these items at home, so the poha is readily available. You just need some French fries that you've ordered from any fast food counter. Now we'll turn off the heat and we'll add some lemon. And we can garnish this with some ground nuts. Our poha is ready for serve. You can add more lemon and garnish with coriander or with some bhujia or some mixture. That's done, guys. you can enjoy this great poha. Thank you.